Let's make some tomahawk steak or ribeye as most of us call it. My ribeye weighs 500 grams each. So the first thing I'm going to do is to season one side with salt and pepper. And then I'm going to put some cooking oil on my grilling pan and place the ribeye on the side that I have seasoned. Then I'll go ahead and season the other side with salt and pepper again and let it sear for 2 minutes on each side. Then I'm going to turn on the other side, let it sear for 2 minutes, and then I'm going to turn it on the side too. I'm going to use vegetable as a side dish or accompaniment. So the first thing I'm going to do is to prepare my yellow bell pepper. So I'm going to chop it, and then I'll be chopping my red bell pepper too. And also I'm going to use mushroom. So I'll be cutting my mushroom, and then I'm going to use some white onion. So I'll be just chopping it as a medium size. And then after this, I'm going to peel off my carrots and cut it into medium size too. At this point, my meat has seared, so I'm going to put it in oven for 10 minutes. I'm also going to use Rosti as accompaniment, and I've just come to fall in love with these potatoes. Using the oil that I sear the meat with, I'll put it in a pan with onion and garlic. Then I'll put some mushroom. Then I'm going to put my vegetable. Then I'll put in carrots after I've mixed it well. Then I'll add some salt and black pepper. Mix this well. I don't want them to fully cooked. I want them to be crunchy. And then I'm going to add some light soy sauce and red wine vinegar. At this point, my food is ready. And look at my steak. It's juicy. Well done. But it's juicy and tender. I love my meat well done, and this steak is really nice. Actually, I can say ever since my babe went back, this is the yummiest meal that I have made for myself. I started being comfortable with him, like being around and cooking, but I'm back to my normal routine.